Hey everyone, in this video we will see why is my Alexa blue light spinning, meaning and how to stop it fast. So what does the spinning blue light mean? Blue light pattern and there are also their meaning. So blue light ring spinning with client highlight. Alexa is listening and processing your request. Blue light spinning for a long time. Alexa may be stuck connecting to the internet or Amazon services. Blue light after plugging in. The device is starting up. Blue light won't stop. The device may need a restart, Wi-Fi connection or software update. Fix one is wait for Alexa to finish. Wait 30 to 60 seconds, then see if the blue light turns off automatically. Ask Alexa what's the weather to check if it's responding. Second one is restart your Alexa device. Unplug the power adapter, then wait about 30 seconds. Plug the device back in, then wait until it finishes restarting. Third one is check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure the Wi-Fi is working on another device. So restart your router if needed. Move Alexa closer to the router, then test Alexa again. Fourth one is reconnect Alexa to Wi-Fi. Open the Alexa app, then tap devices. Select your Echo device, then open device setting. Choose change net to Wi-Fi and connect to your network. Thanks for watching.